Before the video begins, I just want to say thank you so much for 1 million followers on Instagram. It means so much to me, and I'm very grateful for it. Also, a small percent of you have actually subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, then make sure to subscribe if you want to. It's your choice. You can always subscribe later if you want to, like I said. But, yeah, let's get back to the What was that?
Warning, this video is
Who's
scary.
at my door?
The video contains jump scares, pop-ups, scary images, scary audio, scary videos, loud sounds, and unappealing content. Watch at your own risk. You have been warned.
Bart Aaron 58.
What a nice time for me to just sit down and relax. I'm going to play Super Mario World on my Super Nintendo.
So I got a t-shirt, a figure, rings, and a sticker.
Kaylee and Rosie, come downstairs right now. Something important is happening.
I wonder where. Oh, right! Loot Crate! Loot Crate is basically a monthly thing where you get a crate.
Guys,
and
look
what's
at
inside
the
the
news.
crate is your choice. You can pick anything. So, I'm going to click on this buy this crate, and you can pick about up to 12 crates, which that would take up about a year. You get one crate every month, so that's 12 crates in a year. But I'm going to pick one.
Welcome to
for now,
GoAnimate City and
your total
GNN
is
News.
that much.
I am your
Next one.
host,
So,
GoAnimate.
you can pick
Today,
any
Kim
t-shirt size you
Jong-un
are, if
wants
you're
to
a large
invade
or
Western
you're
US.
medium, and
In
then
North
the waist
Korea,
size,
they are
whatever it
planning
is.
to nuclear our city.
Check out,
GoAnimate
make
City.
sure
This
to
is
create
one
an
of the
account,
most
because if
destructive
you haven't
atomic
already,
bomb they
you
built
should
it
do
in
one.
North
We interrupt
Korea.
your
Just
Super
log in.
It's the
Mario
most
World
powerful
session on your
nuclear
Super
When you get to
Nintendo
check out, you
Entertainment
have to
System
click
for
on
a
your
Barney
screen.
error.
Please go
Barney
hide in the
was killed
basement
by
and
Luigi.
begin.
But
Luigi
you
had a
know,
12 chance to
minutes.
Barney
Stay
safe.
safe.
The bomb will only blow up if you waste these 12 chances.
standard
Do not
delivery.
turn on
And,
lock.
all this.
Unplug or do anything that will get rid of the error from your computer.
This
or else
nuclear
you
is
will
the
lose
destructive.
everything.
It will rip the whole